Yes. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Yes. Today we are
Morning.
going to discuss about the chapter Reaching the Age of Adolescence. Say, in previous chapter, we have learned how animals reproduce. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So it is only after growing up to a certain age that human beings and many other animals are reproduced. Okay, right. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is why can humans reproduce only after a certain age. So in this chapter, we will learn about the changes takes place in the human body after which a person becomes capable of reproduction. Right?
Yes.
Right? Can you follow? Can you follow?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So, and we shall discuss the role of hormones play in bringing about changes that make a child grow into an adult. So we will discuss about the two main things. The first one I told you, which one? Then the reaching the age of adolescence. So in the same way, we will discuss about which one? The role of hormones. The role of hormones. So we can discuss the first part of this lesson, adolescence and puberty. Adolescence and puberty. Yes, okay. See, we have heard about a growth of an individual. Growth begins from the day one is born. So is it right, all of you?
Yes,
sir.
Yes, that is growth begins from the day one is born. See, but upon crossing the age of 10 or 11, there is a sudden spurt in growth which becomes noticeable. So when we attains at a particular age, we can see there is a sudden spurt in growth which becomes noticeable. That means the changes taking place in the body are a part of growing up. So when we go through the growth of an every individual, there is a sudden spurt in the growth which becomes noticeable. Is it clear to you? It is
Yes,
clear
sir.
to you. All of you, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, good. It indicates that you are no longer a child but are on the way to becoming an adult. So that is, it indicates that, and this period indicates that, or you are no longer a child but the one way to becoming an adult. Okay, so when we discuss about the reaching the age of adolescence, we can see there is one of the basic process of every living organism is growth. Is it right? Is it right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So the first of all, we can see different stages in the life of a human being. We can see there is a different stages.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, okay.
So I just joined now. So what are you taking?
Yes. Now I am handling the chapter reaching the age of adolescence. So,
Okay, sir.
so can you see the slide? All of you?
No, sir.
See what about? Can you see the slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Say, so here we can see the different stages of life. So infancy. So have you heard about this word infancy?
Yeah, child.
Yes. Then after that it lasts us 0 to 2 years. That is, this period is known as infancy. So after that we can say there is a next stage that is known as childhood. So childhood is in between 3 to 12
Good morning,
years.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, just join now.
Yes, okay. Now we are discussing about the different stages of life. Lakshmi, now we are discussing about the different stages of life. Then childhood, that 3 to 12 years. Next one is adolescence. Adolescence, that is 13 to 19 years. Then adulthood, 20 to 40 years, and old age, above 40 years. Okay, so these are the different stages of life in human beings. So the first one is infancy, so that is 0 to 2 years, childhood 3 to 12 years, adolescence 13 to 19 years, childhood 20 to 40 years, and old age above 40 years. Okay, right? Yes.
Sir, can you show the slide?
Which one?
The one you shown now.
Tell me. Say, tell me.
Sir, can you show the slide?
That means you want to see one more time?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, wait. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is different stages of life. Infancy means 0 to 2 years, childhood 3 to 12 years, adolescence 13 to 19 years, adulthood 20 to 40 years, old age above 40 years. Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Yes, now it is the time to take the attendance. Take your attendance. Gauri Shankari,
Present, sir.
Sri Ram,
Present, sir.
Aditya Nanu,
Present, sir.
Abhinand Krishna,
Present, sir.
Abhinav,
Present, sir.
Abhinav PA, Abhinav PA, absent. Ahmad,
Present, sir.
yes. Albert, Amal,
Present, sir.
Amna,
Present, sir.
Amrda,
Present, sir.
Angelia Biju,
Present, sir.
Anthony Babu,
Present, sir.
Anusha,
Present, sir.
Arjun, Ayan,
Present, sir.
Baija,
Present, sir.
Carlin Matthew,
Present, sir.
yes. Dila,
Present, sir.
Ishal,
Present, sir.
Gauri,
Present, sir.
Kisa,
Present.
Isa,
Present, sir.
Johin,
Present, sir.
Krishna Kriba,
Present, sir.
Malavika,
Present, sir.
Milan,
Present, sir.
Nelvin,
Present, sir.
Annette Jose,
Present, sir.
Lakshmi,
Present, sir.
who is the next one?
Parthiv.
Parthiv, Parvati Menon,
Present, sir.
Prajida,
Present, sir.
yes. Shane,
Present, sir.
Yes. Shifana,
Present, sir.
Shreya,
Present, sir.
Srihari,
Present, sir.
Tanmay,
Present.
Uma,
Present, sir.
Vaishnav, Suresh.
Sir,
Yes, okay. Who is
sir,
this?
you didn't call my name.
Rudra Sunil. Let me see. Ah, yes, yes. Okay, okay, right. Yes, see. The remaining topic we can discuss in next class. Okay, right?
Okay, sir.
Yes. So I already informed about exam and all. So we will conduct exam on next week. And what about the notes? Notes?
So I didn't send the
Say previous chapters. What you are doing about the notes?
Sir, only for one chapter when we were in school we wrote. Others we took printout.
Yes, right, right. So you can do one thing. You can take a printout. Okay, right?
In
Okay,
that
sir.
cell structure and functions, that chapter last two questions she didn't give, ma'am didn't give.
Yes. Let me
She told you
anyway.
it's in.
Yes. So let me ask. Let me ask the ma'am what we are going to do. Then after that we can do it. Okay, right?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay. So study very well for exam. So exam it means the which chapter? So asexual, then reproduction in animals. Okay, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Welcome. Welcome. Welcome.